In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note in Xero. Creating credit notes is an essential part of managing your accounting processes in Xero, particularly when you need to cancel or adjust invoices previously sent to your clients. Whether a customer returned goods or you overcharged them by mistake, issuing a credit note helps keep your books accurate and your customer relationship strong. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to head over to Xero's website. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard, which is essentially your home base in Xero. Here is where all your financial management tasks begin. You'll want to navigate to the Business tab from this main hub. In Xero, this tab is crucial as it houses the options you'll frequently use, such as invoices, bills, and expenses, along with what we're focusing on today, the credit notes. Now, to get exactly where you need, click on Invoices. This section is your go-to for all invoicing activities. It's where you can view the list of all invoices you've created, along with their respective statuses, paid, unpaid, and the overdue ones. But our focus for today is on creating a credit note, which we're about to get into. Right within the Invoices section, you will notice an option to create a new credit note. Click on it. This is where the actual creation of the credit note begins. A credit note is essentially a tool for reconciling transactions that didn't go as planned originally. Whether it's due to a return or a necessary correction, this process is crucial for keeping your accounts in order. The next step involves adding your recipient, the client or customer to whom the credit note is being issued. This step is vital to ensure that the correction is linked to the appropriate person or company in your financial records. It's important here to double-check and make sure the details entered are accurate to prevent any confusion later. After selecting your recipient, it's time to add your item. This means specifying what the credit note is for. It could be for a specific product returned, a service that was canceled, or an adjustment due to an overcharge. Be as detailed as possible here. Fill out quantities, descriptions, and reasons for the credit note. This careful attention to detail will save you from potential headaches later on and keeps your records crystal clear. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary information, the last step in this process is to click on Approve. This action finalizes the credit note, ensuring that these adjustments are reflected in your accounts and that everything aligns accurately. Approval also sends a notification to any related parties indicating that the correction has been acknowledged and processed in Xero. You've now completed the process of creating a credit note in Xero. Although it's straightforward once you know where everything is, it plays a vital role in ensuring your financial records are accurate and up to date. Making sure you accurately account for returns, corrections, and adjustments is crucial in reflecting your business's financial position at any given time. Remember, the practice of issuing credit notes not only helps in rectifying discrepancies, but also in maintaining good relationships with your clients by ensuring their billing is accurate. It's an essential aspect of financial management that fosters trust and accountability between businesses and their customers. That's all for today's video on how to create a credit note in Xero in just 5 minutes. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Managing your business finances effectively is key to your success, and with tools like Xero and guides like this, you're well equipped to handle it with confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tips and tutorials to help you navigate the world of online accounting with ease.